So in this video we are using here a yellow sheet and making a bird with black and red beak, and now putting stem over it so it will look like that it is sitting on the stem. Putting the black color on its beak in this way. Now it's turn to make it wings with the white color, making some more finishing, and now using the black color to make the branch, and now putting the green leaf around the branches, and it's done. In the next we are using here a cardboard and just fill it with the yellow color in this way, making a black line over it so it seems like that it is hanging on the tree. Imprinted the yellow color with the help of finger so it will shapes like a honeybee around the honey. It's ready. In the next we have taken a colorful sheet. So firstly we are going to make a circular cut, putting the pink sheet over white. Now using this red sheet by making the line and cutting it up with the help of scissor, and now putting this white clay around the white sheet in this way, as you can see. So any guesses what it could be? Yeah, it's a Smiley Center. Here we are using the light blue sheet, tearing it up with the help of finger, and now putting it over the blue and making a black branches, putting the white over the light blue. Now using this yellow sheet to make the wing, and owl sitting on the branch is ready. In the next we are using the scale in this way so it will look like a hanging basket is ready. Now using this pink sheet, tearing it up with the help of finger and making the flower basically. Now using the white sketches to make the line, making more like that and putting all together into the basket. Now using this green stem, a curly stem around the flowers and the basket in this way, pouring the green leaves onto the each stems, and it's ready. In the next we are using here yellow small sheets, a square shaped sheets. Firstly we have made a plate, and after this done making it a fold in between. Now you will see that how a flower is ready. Now putting it all together, putting the smiley face in between. Now using this green leaf so the sunflower is ready. In the next we are using here a orange sheet and making a cut in this way. So basically we are going to make a tiger in this way, making its face by taking the proper measurement of sheets in this way. A cute tiger face is ready. Putting the strips in this way, making its plate and putting the face over it. So a moving face of the tiger is ready. In the next we are using here a clay to make a flower. A pink flower is ready. Now using this green clay and wrapping it up around the earbud in this way, as you can see, and after this done putting this flower over it, putting the leaf, and it's done. We are taking here a jelly box, filled it with the brown clay so it will look like a soil. A flower plant is ready. In the next we are using here a green sheet with the proper shape, as you can see. Now taking one sheet, making a drawing with white pen and cut it up in this way. Now making more cut like that, and after this done using this cardboard to make the pot. So any guesses what it is? It's a cactus plant. Putting the red flower over it, and it's done. In the next we are using here orange sheet so it shapes like a frock or a outfit, and now making more attractive by using this white pen, putting the clay to make the flower over the dress, and it's almost done. Cotton around the sleeves and each edges of the outfit. It's ready. In the next we are using here a white sheet and fill it with the red circular color and tearing it up in this way, putting yellow and orange color in the same way, making a branches into it in this way so it will shapes like a tree. Now putting some dots around it so a small tree is ready. In the next we are using here a cardboard cylindrical shape and making a cut. So just we are using here a trimmed cylindrical shape, filling the color into the each shape with yellow and light blue, putting the white dot over it in this way so it will shapes like a flower. Actually it's not a flower, it's a butterfly. So just putting the string like that to look more attractive, we are using here to make a dot around it. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.